Like that Taylor Swift picture I sent you. They're going to know I'm a coyote hunter then.
Just go.
All right, guys, you're looking at the Salford 570 vertical tillage tool on auction time today. This is Salford's true vertical tillage tool. It's on 7.5-inch spacing. It's got the independent coils with the 4-bolt hub, 20-inch blades. These blades are actually just shy of new, brand new. They're 20 inches. These measure around 19.5. And you know, a tool like this is commonly used to incorporate stalks or cover crops or prep seed beds, whatever it is that you want to do. It does have 3 new tires on it. It's got coil tine harrows here for the finishing right here. You can adjust that based on tension. You know, the tighter you pull those, the more debris or residue it's going to drag. They're in charge of leveling everything side to side. And then of course, it's got the 14-inch basket on it as well. This machine's fully functional, ready to go, sitting here at our new Salina, Ohio location, and sells on auction time later this month. So check this thing out. We do have delivery options available for across the country. We can load it on a detach without having to break it down. So we can get it shipped to you no problem. So bid with confidence on this Salford 570 vertical tillage tool. Thanks for tuning in.